Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold, guys. What I'll be looking at on gold, just like to start my analysis, I like to do top-down analysis. So this is the monthly time frame. Let's do that. So as you can see on the monthly time frame overall, we are definitely an uptrend, right? We can see right here an uptrend. We can see that we have this breakout structure on the monthly time frame right here. Let's see on the monthly time frame, and this is the highest high we have. All right, this is our highest high we have on gold, which is 2,789. So now let's go to my smaller time frame. Let's go to my weekly time frame and let's see what gold is doing. We have this. Then we can see that we have this right here, the broke structure. We have this breakout structure. Then we can also draw a trend line right here, right? I just like to draw straight line because it make it look smaller, to make the chart a little bit compound. So okay. So as we can see, right, I'm gonna draw another trend line right here. See. So we also have another breakout structure right here. Let's go to my daily time frame and let's see what gold is doing. So that's the reason of top-down analysis. It just simplifies your trade, right? And makes it easier to overall look at how the market is working, right? Let's just do this here instead, right here. Then we continue to have more breakout structure right here. So the reason why I do this is it just make it easier for me to look at the other block that is valid, because any other block that did not break structure, right, it's certainly not valid, right, for us to see reaction around, so we can differentiate between false other block, right? And that is why I like to draw. It just simplifies it. So now let's go to my smaller time frame. Let's go to my 4 hour time frame and let's see how the market is, right? We can see we broke more structure. So let's go here. This is our last breakout structure we had before the market, voila, to the downside, right? Then this is our change of character right here. This is when it says of solidified that the character was changed. It broke this previous low. That's how we know that now we are now on a downtrend, right? And it continues to break structure. You can see to break structure right here too. Then we had a change of character right here. Either there or yeah, I think this right here is valid. That's why I had a change of character. As we can see, just as you can see, right, we can see that when we broke this right here, This retracement did not come right here to retrace from before pushing to the downside, or right around this area, because this area is also valid, right? Before we start pushing to the downside, we can see that it didn't fill up those other blocks. It just started pushing to the downside, right? So now let's see what the market is doing. We can see right around this area right here that so as we can see right here that so we had that change of character, right? So now let's see, because the market reacted around this area right here, it shows that the market is pushing to the upside, and this right here is very valid, right? I mean here, this retracement right here kind of invalidates a good other block, right, for us to see. So right here, I'm going to, right here, we see right here, yeah, we pushed up a little bit for that, but that validated the other block to react around that area right there. Let's go to more smaller time frame and see what the market is doing. So let's see, the market is currently reacted. Let's just go to the current price market. We can see right here the market is reacting off of this area right here. We have that other block, and we also have an imbalance right here that the market reacts from right here, that the market reacted from. So now let's see, then when the market reacted, this was our previous low, right? The market reacted from. So we have this market breakout structure right here, right? And this is the highest breakout structure we have right here. Let's see, there is this gap here. So first of all, right, we have this valid point right here. That our market can, if you're gonna continue down, then that's a valid point right here. Let's go to smaller time frame and see. Push it down here. This will be it right here. Do we have this? We have this imbalance right here. The market might sort of like react from. Then we have breakout structure here. Right here, which makes this particular other block valid. Around this area right here. Let's see. Okay. which makes this the block right here valid, right? We have right here. So let's go to our time frame. Let's see. Let's adjust that to this area right here. I know we have a gap, so it's coming to fill in that gap. So let's put yeah. So I think gold is gonna push to the downside, to be honest, right? And those are like valid points that I'm looking forward to. This will be my first valid point, right? But if this become invalid, then this will be my second point of interest. So that's how I trade it one step at a time, right? So now let's see the current price action so that we can go to my so this is when right here we have a change of character, right? Broke this previous high right here. That's when we have a change of character. Then we started breaking structure right here. We broke this one. It's my daily time, my 1 hour time frame. Then we broke structure here, right? This is lowest we've been based on the current price action before tanking to the upside, right? So now I'm going to use my fib point A head to point B right here. So as we can see that we reacted around, just like we know if you've been watching my analysis, you know that my 7% fib level is a reversal level, right? So I was expecting some sort of like a reversal move from the area, which we did, right? So now we have which means it's reacted from this area right here. That's where the market reacted from this area right here, right? Reacting from this area right here and tanking to the downside, right? So based on our current move right here, what are we seeing? So let's see, let's work on this current price market. We can see we have breakout structure here, right? Which made this valid point right here, and that's where we're reacting from, right? If you look at this right here, we have this breakout structure right here, right? Which means this is valid. This here right here, valid, right? So we had this breakout structure right here. Let's go to smaller time frame. We have this breakout structure right here, right? Then this is where we have 2-minute time frame. Okay, can I adjust this one right here? Let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see. We can adjust this right here. We have this. Then we also have this imbalance right here. Right. Mm. So based on 15-minute time frame, we can adjust this right here. And we also have this imbalance right here. So now what are we looking for, right? Because we tap into like a valid one right here. Go to my 30-minute time frame. Okay. We can see that this is where we tapped into this valid point right here, which also fill in the imbalance we have, right? So that's give us some sort of like a valid point around that area right there. So now we can see that this is where we have our change. Oh, sorry. This is where we have our change of character right here. Before tanking to the downside. Then we have a break of structure right here. Okay, break of structure right here. So let's see. I'm gonna see how the market reacts around this area right here. So if you're gonna buy to this area, because the market might tap in here, because I think you're gonna buy. The market might tap in here. We have an imbalance that needs to be filled right here, because the market might come up here, tap in here for us to reverse, right? Or the market might tap in here, reverse for us to come to this area right here. Like I said, we do the market step by step. So I think this has been validated. This right here. This other block area has been validated by this. So I'm gonna delete it. I don't want it to be too crowded. The next other block will definitely be this one right here. Let's go to my 15-minute time frame and see. Yeah. Right here. So that's the next other block that we should be sort of looking forward to, right? So I think you're gonna buy, just like I mentioned, the market is reacting around this area, the zone, which is valid. We have a valid order block because that's retraced to this area before we have this impulsive move that gave us this breakout structure. So which made it valid, it reacted around that area, right? So that's sort of like a possibility of uptrend, and we can see right around this area that the market when it closed it sort of broke this previous one, right? It sort of broke it, which makes it valid that the market is pushing to the upside. Okay, yeah, makes it valid. So now, if you want to enter for a buy on gold, I'm waiting for a retracement around this area right here. Retracement around that area. Other block is present. Um, in, we have an imbalance that is also present, right? So to be safe, I'll take. Let me use my point A to point B right here and see. Point A to point B right here. Right? So sorry guys. So what we'll be looking at buy, right? Definitely a buy on gold. I will be looking for coming here to tap in here first to right to first TP. This will be my first TP, and this will be my second TP. Sorry. Second TP will be from here to here, around this imbalance right here. So that is my thought on gold for now, guys, because like I said, this market broke structure, broke the previous structure right here, so it just makes sense that we shouldn't sell, we should buy unless any other thing happens. But from right now, based on the current price action and where the market stopped, I'm more biased towards the buys rather than the sell on gold, guys. So this is my good analysis. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.